Welcome to another insightful episode of ASILIMENI Maswati. I'm Sibusiso Mngadi, and in this episode, I sit down with Bhekizwe Maziya, CEO of NAMBoard, for a deep conversation on the institution's vital role in Eswatini's agricultural sector. We explore his journey as CEO, his achievements, challenges, and the impact of NAMBoard's programs on farmers across the country. Our discussion covers a range of topics, including the role of youth in agriculture, cold chain management services and their importance for market access, the Global Gap program and what it means for export-driven farmers, the Horticulture Revolving Fund, a game changer for commercial farmers, the input subsidy and its support for small-scale farmers, the Horticulture Information System, which helps farmers make data-driven decisions. Join me as we unpack these crucial issues and explore how NAMBoard is shaping the future of agriculture in Eswatini. Stay tuned.